Do you recognize that feeling of irritation when you force to grow small accounts don't pay off? If you're employing the multiplier strategy and still aren't seeing January results, this video is for you. Today, I will unveil the product defined putting me out of zero and can alter your trade strategy too, guys. Let's start with that. I have something extraordinary lined up just for you. Keep on watching the video until the very end and it will be thrilled, guys. Today, we're gonna start with that. Right Nash candle and 15 seconds on time frame. So that is another trade strategy. Vortex and OSMA. Okay? For the Vortex, guys, we're gonna use 20 on period and this size is up to you. I just changed the thickness to 2 pixel. OSMA 12, 26, and 9. That's in settings for that. And that's green. Alright. So that is just pretty much all about the settings that your indicator is going to be using this particular strategy, guys. So let's start with that with $51 and 1 minute expiration time. Alright guys, just find a very good opportunity right here for a buy trade. When we enter the buy that opportunity right here on this particular level, this first thing we consider right here, intersection on the vortex indicator. In this case, a buy trade, guys, the green line is above the red one, and not only that, guys, you must be able to see at last 2 or 3 or 4 smart candle operating out before you can actually place a trade. Another thing is advised to put into consideration, guys, also candlestick on the OSMA. You must be able to have a stable candlestick before actually pay a trade situation whereby candlestick chop like this. Please do not place a trade if you do not see that confirmation. However, you must be able to see the strong candlestick before that. Before to place a trade, you must always consider that your vortex indicator and about the OSMA. Okay? And you can see right here, we got only 6 seconds. And it'll make you very good profits. Let's see that. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. 48.1, yeah, $48 on that, guys, and that is essential to know that is just one strategy that could change your path in this market. To go professional, massing the best and most profitable methods is necessary. Don't worry. For I have prepared choose clueless resource that will be video for that month. Stay tuned until the end of the video. So there's finally another one on this, guys, and look at that. Actually enter buy trade right here as right now again. So guys, the first thing we consider before I enter trade is the candlestick movement. You can see right here we have a very strong candlestick line up in this particular level. And look at the OSMA, okay. And not only that, you can also see the vortex indicator intersects which other right in this particular level and OSMA candles, as I said for you. Give very good indicator to enter trade. Alright, but that's finger advice and the time trade is whenever OSMA candle is pretty much stronger. Please not enter trade if you do not see that opportunity. You must be able to enter trade and you see 2, 3, 4, maximum 5 in the market before to place a trade. They only have you enter trade on time. Okay, so just wait for that to see that confirmation. Okay. And as you can see right here, guys, we also make a profit on that. $66 and $105 in the total. Alright, guys, we find another one in this particular level. Let's enter for a sell button again. Okay, we have a very strong candlestick formation right here. Not only that, guys, have voted line intersects on that. We got a vortex, we got the OSMA, okay, and we got a good downtrend. The sell trade, guys, the red line is actually above the green one on the vortex. That's a good opportunity. Just pay attention on that. And also OSMA indicator, as you can see, they have very strong candles right at this on the particular level. Give us another good implication to this one. Okay, Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. So that is the point, guys. And look at that. We got right now 16 seconds toward the end of the particular loans. All right. Let's wait for that and see how this trade will turn to be. Okay. As you can see right now, guys, the candle is below the line, the entry points. And we have another good profits again. It's very good profit, guys. Look at that, $153 in the total. So as you can see, the trade will take today. We own all this trade right here, and we'll be making money in the market using this particular strategy. Guys, I advise you to try out this particular strategy on your account before to use your real money, your real account. This strategy, I'm giving it 95% win rate. It means if you take 10 trades, you're gonna win 9 trades of failure to come your way. Okay, if you love this video, guys, you ensure to like this video. Share these videos to your loved one. If you are here to subscribe to the channel, please hit the like button, activate the notification, so for you don't miss any video that I just upload on that. Keep trade, guys. Wish you good profits with operation and have a good day. See you.